HS2 is high speed 2. It's the second high-speed line that the UK's invested in. It's reducing the time to move between major cities and hubs. It's quite a complex job site over a big area. So we've got a 3.4 kilometre viaduct, which is going to be the UK's biggest viaduct. And we wanted to use a tool like Alice Technologies to help us model and understand the complexities with all the constraints we had.
HS2 will be the fastest rail system in the UK. The structural constraints we've got are phenomenal. The optionality model is very exciting because it gives you a lot of opportunity for scope, for analysis, but also it gives you some good data in terms of how it affects time versus cost and the sequencing on the deck as well.
Software providers that are already in the market are offering small functionality changes, but what this is doing is really turning it on its head in a lot of senses. There's the kind of old guard way of working and sort of standard software packages that we would all know how to use, and Alice is offering an alternative view.
The other software that I've used is Microsoft Project and Primavera 6, which as planning tools are only as clever as really what's been input into them. They don't have an artificial intelligence facility where Alice, you can input the model, you can input the recipes and your desired sequence with constraints, and it actually builds the best way for you to carry out the works. As we've applied and trained our staff to utilize this, we've been able to get substantial improvements in our programs. This software is something they can trust and utilize.
We moved into this multi-dimensional area where we could see lots of dots on the graph of cost and time, all with its own program with a different way of doing it, and that really made our management team sort of really sit on the edge of their seat and go, wow, this allows a different sort of level of conversation to take place. It's brought everyone together on one platform to then really discuss different ways of doing it. It's really helping us to work more collaboratively and more openly in our planning.
We're utilising Alice recipes, capture the very diverse amount of knowledge we've got across our teams. The more information you feed into it, the more accurate the whole model gets.
There's a clarity in being able to define that's exactly how we're going to build it in this exact sequence with these exact resources. We can just tweak and modify the recipes, but essentially that knowledge is captured.
So this new approach really has opened people's eyes to a faster way to do planning and to explore options. The Alice team have been really supportive to us, and they're not just software experts on Alice as a platform, they're experts in construction as well. That's been a really great experience.